Google's Gemma 4 is here, and it is entirely free. Here is why this open source AI model changes the game for local devices and developers.
Building applications powered by artificial intelligence requires heavy computing. Right now, developers all over the world are relying on cloud-based APIs to run their models, and the toll booths are everywhere. Take a look at this chart tracking development expenses. While a platform's user base might grow at a steady, linear rate, the API costs charged by major corporate providers curve exponentially upward. Every query, every prompt, and every output stacks the bill higher. Because you pay by the token, scaling an application forces a brutal financial choice. You either burn through your funding paying for premium reasoning, or you actively restrict your own application's capabilities to save money. Renting intelligence by the word has created a massive economic vulnerability in the tech industry. The market is top-heavy, tightly centralized, and completely exposed to a cheaper alternative. Google recognized that vulnerability and released Gemma 4. It is an open-source model positioned specifically to undercut the expensive pay-as-you-go architecture dominating the industry. Instead of metering usage behind a credit card wall, Google released the entire model to the public completely for free. The distribution mechanism making this possible is the Apache 2.0 license. This is a specific type of open-source software license designed to be highly permissive for developers. Under this legal framework, developers can take the model, completely rewrite the underlying code, and integrate it into a paid commercial product without owing Google a single royalty. By stripping away the licensing fees, Gemma 4 operates as a targeted economic weapon. It is built to break the current cloud API monopoly by making high-level reasoning a zero-cost commodity. Releasing a free model only disrupts the market if the model can actually compete. Looking at the technical specifications, Gemma 4 matches the pure capability of the most expensive proprietary software available. A major factor is its 256,000 context window. A context window simply dictates the maximum amount of text, code, or data the model can hold in its active memory at one single time. Standard free tier models cap out early. They can read a few pages of text, but if you ask them to analyze a large dataset, they forget the beginning of the document by the time they reach the end. A single small square is a standard free model. Scale to 256,000 tokens, and memory explodes into a massive grid. You can drop an entire software codebase into the prompt. The model maps relationships across thousands of lines instantly. With that level of memory retention, developers can audit entire ecosystems simultaneously. Gemma 4 operates as a comprehensive, system-level analyzer rather than a basic query chatbot. To process that much data, the model relies on a 31 billion parameter dense architecture. This means every single artificial neuron is active and calculating simultaneously during a prompt, resulting in highly complex reasoning. Google paired this immense computing density with native function calling, building it straight into the model out of the box. Look at this workflow. Function calling allows the AI to read a prompt, realize it needs outside help, route the request to a specific external tool, and then execute the action on its own. When you combine heavy logic with the ability to trigger external scripts, developers can build entirely autonomous agents. The AI can manage multi-step workflows without you needing to stitch together complex third-party software. Gemma 4 removes the need for expensive middleman platforms, allowing developers to build sophisticated, self-contained agents that function without constant cloud-based supervision. Moving to physical hardware brings us to computing on the edge. This means processing data right where it is generated, on the device itself, rather than relying on a distant data center. Gemma 4 is highly optimized specifically for this environment. It is designed to run its heaviest, most demanding tasks entirely locally on your personal hardware. Operating offline introduces a massive security advantage. As this diagram shows, when you query a cloud API, your sensitive corporate data has to travel across the internet, where it can be intercepted or stored on a third-party server. Executing locally ensures that your data never actually leaves your physical machine, and you don't need a massive server rack to do it. The model scales with incredible efficiency across a wide range of devices, running just as smoothly on a high-end laptop GPU as on an everyday Android phone. When the intelligence physically resides on your own machine, external breaches become nearly impossible. This localized execution grants true data sovereignty and absolute security. We're looking at a model that merges enterprise-grade logic and massive memory retention, with zero usage costs and completely localized security. Compare that reality to the current standard. The practice of continuously renting artificial intelligence from massive tech corporations is rapidly starting to look like an aging, bloated business model. Curious, provocative question for the industry. If local hardware can handle high-level reasoning for free, how much longer can corporate providers justify charging a premium for the same intelligence? The next evolution of technology belongs to the developers, because instead of renting intelligence from a massive corporate cloud, they can simply download it and build the future for free.
Will Gemma 4 kill paid APIs? Sound off below. Like and subscribe for your daily tech pills.